Hello, good morning. This is my morning walk. I came here on the roadside. This is roadside and the trees are in between two roads. As you can see the traffic. This is 6 a.m. early in the morning. Today is Sunday and the road is moving now. The traffic is moving. I came here for morning walk. It's too early. Still, you see there is no sunrise. Early morning, 6 a.m. And some people came out, so the traffic is moving. This area is near all parks. So I'm going to park and early morning I'm saying good morning to everyone. Good morning. See you. Bye.